what is the domain of the function whose graph is shown? Recall that domain describes all of the possible x values that a function can have. So looking at the function in our graph here, there's a couple things going on. We have some inclusive points here, and we also have some exclusive points here. So let's be aware of those. Starting at the lowest value of x over here, let's work our way up to find the domain. So we see that, first of all, we have an inclusive point here, which means that the domain includes this value of x, which is 0. And then this branch of the function travels forward and then ends in an exclusive point. So if we were to describe just that branch, we would say that x is greater than or equal to 0, but must be less than 1. And if we were to describe the other part of the branch, we would say that x must include 1, must be greater than or equal to 1, but less than 2. And that's a way we could describe both of those branches. But this is one function, and although the function is broken at this point here, we see that the domain of the first branch goes all the way up to, but just barely missing the value 1, but then immediately in this other branch it takes on the value of 1 and continues. So there's actually not a break in the domain there. So we can rewrite this and instead have x be greater than or equal to 0, but less than 2. So we change this 1 to a 2. Since the domain includes all points from x equals 0 all the way through to everything excluding 2. And that is our domain for this function.